Hello, Lakeview High School 8th grade families. I'm Mr. Griffin, your principal here at Lakeview High School. Please allow me to first offer an apology for any frustrations your family experienced as part of our communications last night. We used an automated email system to send our message out about 8th grade students moving to remote instruction, and we heard from some families today who either didn't get the message or didn't see the message before this morning. Our sincere apologies. Moving forward, we'll be more cognizant of using two methods, including an automated phone call and an email, to hopefully ensure that we reach all families. I wanted to take a few minutes to reach out to you with a special message about what needs to occur during remote learning. As you know, there have been some recent cases of individuals positive for COVID that impact our 8th grade class. In order to best ensure the safety of individuals, we needed to move to remote instruction through November 12th. Our hope is for students to return on Friday, November 13th to in-person instruction. While students are out of the building, they need to be logged into Schoology to access their coursework. Thankfully, our staff has been working with students throughout the year thus far by posting their coursework in Schoology already. On a daily basis, students have been using this system. They are very familiar with it, and they know their login information. Students will be able to complete their coursework through that site and other sites linked in there that teachers upload. While the rest of the building is still having in-person instruction, our 8th grade students need to remember to use the current block schedule of classes. They will continue to follow the current A-B day block schedule. That means on an A day, they need to complete their classwork for their A classes, and on a B day, they need to complete their coursework for their B classes. Additionally, during the day, you need to follow the schedule as it has already been done. For example, for your first class of the day, you should be logged in at 7:35 and participating and completing coursework for that class. You will also be receiving an email with a daily schedule as well as a color-coordinated calendar so you and your student know exactly which days are an A day or B day during this remote learning. If you have an extenuating circumstance where your student can't log in during their class time, students should email their teachers directly. We want to ensure students are maintaining consistent communication with their teachers during this time. Parents, I strongly encourage you to maintain checking on your students' grades in PowerSchool during this time, as well as to help ensure they're getting their work turned in. Please, don't hesitate to reach out to your students' teachers as needed, as they want your student to continue learning and be actively engaged while we need to be at remote learning during this time. Our teachers will continue to assign work, instruct students, create videos, provide support to students during this time, and a myriad of other creative ways to continue to engage students as best as possible during this remote learning. I also can't stress enough how different remote learning is this time than in the spring. In the spring, learning opportunities were provided and some were optional. These assignments are required. Students must complete them. They will impact your students' grades. Please help have your students show you in Schoology what their assignments are so that you can verify they're completing them. Check in PowerSchool to verify they've been submitted and graded. Students will be assigned assignments each day for the classes for that day. For the 3 classes on an A day, there'll be assignments for A classes. On a B day, B assignment classes. Students will be able to find those in Schoology. Should your student not have access to reliable internet for some reason, please don't hesitate to reach out to the main office at 989-352-7222 to let us know, and we will try to provide additional support and other ways for students to access the curriculum. Thank you, and take care of yourselves and each other.